Mochi and I are going to have some fun, and today we're going to update the headlights on this Toyota RAV4. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these Auxito LED lights. So first off, Auxito is a leading auto LED light brand which focuses on safety and driving experience. In short, these products are high brightness, low energy consumption, and have a long lifespan. Now, along with their really great prices and top-notch quality, they also come with a 2-year warranty. Now, for some of the easy specs on this one, they are 60-watt bulbs and 300% brighter than your normal halogen lamp. Now, they also project a perfect beam pattern, not to blind oncoming traffic. They're also meant to be plug and play, and we'll go through the install very shortly. And finally, these are also CAN bus ready. So that basically means that they work with 98% of the vehicles without computer system error problems. Alright, now that they're open, let's go ahead and install them. So the first thing we're going to do is identify our low beam and the location of our high beam. We're also going to need to remove this cover to give us room to get our hands behind the headlights. These little push tabs hold down your cover, so all you're going to need to do is take your screwdriver, pry up the center, and then pull the tab out. By removing approximately 9 clips, you should be able to easily remove the cover. With the cover removed, you'll have easy access to both the low and high beam. Here is the low, and right over here is your high beam. To remove the bulb, turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and you'll feel it come loose. And once you feel it come loose, just pull it straight out of the socket. Now, to release the light bulb, just push down on this tab. Now, debris does get inside that tab, and sometimes the heat deteriorates the plastic, so just be really gentle with it as you're trying to pull the socket out. So just take your time. For the new Auxito bulb, line up the tabs and push it in until you hear it click into the socket. Push the new light bulb assembly into the housing until it sits flush, and that part is key. It needs to sit flush, and then just turn it clockwise about a quarter of a turn until it locks in. And here's just a quick test of the new low beam bulb. We're going to do the same for the high beam, so quarter of a turn counterclockwise should release the bulb. Depress the center tab to release the light bulb. Clip in your new Auxito light. Now, this high beam wasn't going into the housing. Actually, it just kept pushing right back out. Then I realized I needed to change the rubber washer on this one to a lower profile, which is in the kit. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. So your kit's going to come with various rubber washers to make sure that your light bulb seats properly. And the one that comes installed from the factory may not be the right one for your light bulb assembly. So with a flathead screwdriver, just take your time and pry off the rubber gasket and then slide one on that's more appropriate for your headlight assembly. So after a little bit of trial and error, I finally got the right size on, which is a thin red one. So let's go ahead and connect this one. Once again, slide it in so it's flush, and then turn it clockwise to complete the seal. And because on this high beam I installed the bulb first, now I'm going to go ahead and connect the harness. Now, with one side fully complete, here's what a side-by-side looks like, and you can tell the Auxito light bulbs make a massive difference. Now, the passenger side is just a little bit tighter on space, but you're going to repeat the exact same process for the low and high beam. After about 10 or 15 minutes, both sides are changed, and what a world of difference. Place your cover back on, and to secure that with the clip, just push on the bottom. The button will lift up just like that. Push it in and push down the button. And that's all you have to do. There you have it, an easy plug-and-play system to brighten your drive. And if you are interested in updating your lamps, check in the description below to activate your 15% discount coupon code when you use the specific product link that takes you to the Auxito site. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.